Hi friends, today we will look into the commands which we can use for working with directories on a Linux system. So we will look into the 7 different kind of commands. One is pwd, which stands for present working directory. The another command will be cd, which stands for change directory. ls, listing. This is used for listing of our command, listing of the folders and files. mkdir is creating of directory or folders, and rmdir is used for removing the folders. So we will look into one by one. So for that we have to open the terminal. So once we open the terminal or a putty session, uh, the first thing we can do is to type the pwd command. Once you type the pwd command, it will tell you the present working directory wherever you are present. So if you are, it will give you the location where you are present, where you are. So pw will always tell you about the location where you are present. The next command is cd, which is stand for change directories. Change directory is used to navigate into one folder to another folder. So we can navigate from one folder to another folder using the cd command, change directory. Now if I want to go to Oracle folder, I can go to this. So I can use again pwd. It is showing me the current folder where I am present. So there is another command cd and tilt command. It will take you back to the home directory wherever you are. If you type cd and tilt, it will take you to the home directory. Now if I want to go back to the same directory where I was present previously, I can use cd minus and it will take me back to the same directory. So cd minus and cd tilt are two different shortcuts which you can use. Now if you want to navigate back one folder, then cd space and double dot, it will take you back to the one folder. If you want to navigate inside, cd and folder name. If you want to navigate outside, cd double dot. So that is a command which you can use. So now we are inside middleware. Now let me go inside Oracle folder. So this is a folder which is present there. Now there is something called absolute and relative paths. Now if I go and do a listing, I can see there is a folder called Oracle Home here. But if I try to access this using the slash command, then in that case it will not go, because it will again go from the starting. It will go from here. It is going to this root directory and then it is checking for uh, this folder. So but that folder is not present there. It is relatively present here at middleware. It is inside middleware, so we have to be inside middleware or use the complete path, then only we'll be able to proceed further. So from here we can go. Now if I want to, so this is called absolute path. The next command which we will learn is ls is used for listing. You can see the files and folders which are present inside a folder using this ls command. So there is ls hyphen. If you use ls hyphen a, it will show you the hidden files as well. And if ls-l will give you a long listing where you can see who is the owner of this file and folder, what is the size, when was this file created, and date and time of that file. You can also use -lh. It will also give you more details of the file size, if it is in MB or GB. So all those details you can get. The next command which we are going to look to is mkdir folder. So first let me go to my home directory so I can use this cd tilt. I am inside my home directory, so mkdir is the command to create the folder. I can create folder using mkdir. Now if I do a listing, I will be able to see the folder here. Test was created. It was created. So test one was created. Now if I want to create multiple folders, then I can use mkdir-p command, and I can use one folder inside one another folder, so it will create multiple folders for me. So you can see test2 is created. So inside test2 test3 is created. Inside the test3 test4 is created. So if you see, this is hierarchy in which the folders were created. And so if you want to create multiple folders, you can create it using mkdir-p command. Now if you want to remove a directory, then the command is rmdir. Let me see if there is any folder here. So if you see there is a folder test4, I can rmdir and test4. So I am able to delete the folder. Now if I go outside, now I want to delete test2, rmdir test2. It is saying it cannot delete the folder test2 because there is another folder which is inside test2 and this directory is not empty, so that is why it is not able to delete it. So if you get this kind of error, then you can use rmdir-p command and test2 and test3. So both the folder name you can give, and then you can delete both the folders using this. So today we have seen about these command: pwd present working directory, cd is change directory, ls is for listing, mkdir is net directory, rmdir is removing the directory, absolute path and relative path from where you are running the commands. So let's see some of the questions, and we can see how can you see the current working directory. Command will be pwd. How to change to /etc folder, you can use /etc. So cd/etc is the command where if you want to navigate to this. Now if you want to navigate to slash boot and slash grub, so you have to do slash boot slash boot, and then yeah, so we are using grub. So we can move like this. And if I how can I move to the root directory? If I give cd slash, I will be on the root directory. You can see the pwd, it's on the root directory. So root directory, these are the folders which are present on the root directory. All are owned by root user. Now if I have to see what are the files which are present inside etc, so first thing is I have to navigate inside etc, and then I have to use ls-ltr or ls command. So it is giving the content of the /etc folder. Now if I want to see a hidden file, then I can use ls-a, and it will show you the hidden files. So any files which starts with dot command is a hidden file. Whenever you create a file and if you append a dot in front of it, it will be a hidden file or folder. So that is all for this session. We will meet in next session. Thank you.